Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an instant healthy Cheela recipe, ideal as a quick breakfast or as a meal for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. For the Cheela, I'm using one medium-sized Mooli, also known as radish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the skin and then grate the Mooli. Into a bowl, add in the grated Mooli, one medium-sized onion finely chopped, half-inch ginger finely chopped, half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 1 green chilli finely chopped, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon kashmiri chilli powder, half cup besan flour, 2 tablespoon ragi flour, I'm using sprouted ragi flour, half teaspoon sea salt, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Give this all a good mix. For flavor, I am adding in 1/4 teaspoon ajwain, also known as carrom seeds, lightly crushing and adding in so that the flavors are released. 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as carrom, and in 1/4 cup water, and give this a good mix. This is a completely gluten-free recipe, meaning there is no maida or refined wheat in this recipe. Okay, now the batter is mixed nicely, and this is the consistency of the batter. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm lightly greasing it with wood pressed sesame oil. Once the tawa is greased, reduce the flame to the lowest. Place 2 to 3 tablespoons of the batter onto the hot tawa and lightly spread it out into a round chila. Drizzle in wood pressed oil of your choice. I'm using wood pressed groundnut oil. You can also use A2 desi ghee instead. Cover and let it cook on low flame for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, open the lid, carefully flip it over and allow that side to get cooked for about 2 minutes on low flame. 2 minutes later, flip it over and my healthy instant Mooli Cheela is ready to serve. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the batter. Leftover batter can always be stored in the refrigerator and it will stay good for a couple of days. You can enjoy this Cheela with pickle, chutney or any side dish of your choice. This Cheela will stay soft once it has cooled down, hence it's ideal to carry as a lunchbox meal. So guys, you try this healthy Mooli Cheela and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.